I chose to do an overseas exchange because it just seemed like such a great opportunity, especially being a business student, to do a business orientated study tour, and it was just a great opportunity to go see another country. A group of 10 of us went over to Coimbatore in South India, and we spent 6 weeks learning about the business and supply chains within 3 different industries, mainly textile, garment, food chain and supply, and hospitals. And for the last 2 weeks we did internships in a chosen industry. I chose textile and garments based at Quantum Knits, so we got to learn the ins and outs, and it was just cool to see how clothing's made from the raw materials to the finished project. And a lot of their stuff they made for Kmart here in New Zealand and also the warehouse, so I got to see where some of those clothes actually come from, which was a really cool experience. My highlight of the trip would definitely be the people we got to meet. The people in India are so friendly and welcoming and just treated us so well, and also the people I went with from Otago Polytechnic, we all got on great. We all helped out each other, always there for support. We were very lucky to have a fully funded trip from Otago Polytechnic. It was part of a Prime Minister scholarship, which covered a big majority of the costs, but Otago Polytechnic was very generous in helping out with the other section of the cost, so it was a fully funded trip, which was really lucky. I would highly recommend to all students at Otago Polytechnic to take the opportunities of doing a study abroad trip. It's a great opportunity. You're going to make lifelong friends and learn so much more. For me personally, it was definitely helpful for my career choice being a business student to understand international markets such as India, which is so different to New Zealand, a different culture. Cool to have those connections as well with another country. It was just an awesome experience. We got to meet some awesome people, make some great connections. It's definitely somewhere that holds a place in my heart, and I definitely want to go back.